Hey, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to craft a loom in Minecraft. A loom is used to apply patterns to banners, and it also serves as a shepherd, job site block for villagers. And inside this chest is everything which you need in order to craft one. So 2 planks and 2 strings, and let's go to the crafting table and let's place the planks like that and the strings above, and this is how to craft a loom, okay? Place it right here. Later on you can also craft a banner. You'll need 6 wool and a stick. You can use any type of wool, and this is the recipe for the banner itself. And you will need also some colors. We can take this flower and this flower and this flower. Let's craft very quick some dye, some purple dye and some yellow dye. And now if you place, I don't know, the banner inside the loom, you can add one of the dye. You can choose here a pattern. Okay, let's take that. Let's go again to the loom, and you can create a lot of patterns and stuff using this loom. But this tutorial was only for how to craft a loom in Minecraft. For banners, oh my god, you can create a lot of stuff.